On this episode of the Foodie Trials, I'm trying the Yamamoto Tanuki Oyaji Tonkotsu Japanese Ramen. Let's get it. The Yamamoto Tanuki Oyaji Tonkotsu Japanese Ramen. So, Tanuki Oyaji actually means a cunning old man, but Tanuki is this little thing right here, a little raccoon dog, and Oyaji just means old man. And raccoons are hella cunning, so hint the phrase. But let's get inside. Let's see what's really good. All right, not too shabby. I love this. Looking pretty swell. Just gonna open this up halfway. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, we got a liquid soup here. Interesting. Oh, I like that. That seems just gonna be dope. Sounds like some flakes. It's good. Dry veggies or something. These noodles don't look too bad. Not bad, not bad. No true symmetry to them, but look, they're gonna be good. I'm excited. So all we have to do is boil some water in a kettle and throw these things together and we'll be good. To look over the nutrition facts, and I'm probably gonna get nothing. I got nothing for you guys. I did look up on Healthline and I saw that there was 1,700 milligrams of sodium. That's the only thing that matters. All right, while our water is waiting to boil, let's combine these ingredients. All right, like I said, some veggie love in there. Looks like some carrots, a little bit of cabbage. So far, so good. Let's see what this liquid soup is talking about. Let's get a taste of that. Interesting color. Woo! That is a delicious flavor. Whoa. Wow. That almost tastes like it's real pork in there. Like it's not artificial at all, but it probably is artificial, but that tastes delicious. Usually it's a dried soup base, but now this is a liquid soup base. I'm intrigued. This one could be a banger. Don't even know. Water's ready. Just gonna pour that to the line. We got a cover. I like to use a plate just to ensure that none of that heat escapes. We wait 3 minutes. It looks low flame. Yeah, nice cloudy broth. Oh, there's definitely cabbage. That's definitely carrots. That looks wonderful. Wow, that looks fuego. Transfer is complete. All right, let's get down to it. These noodles look fantastic. They're thin. They look amazing. They're delicious. That's amazing. Super delicious. What a great noodle. Wow. That broth is even crazier. So much flavor. It's not even like too salty like a powdered one would be. Wow, that's super good. I got a carrot with that too. The carrot tasted good. To being a dried, dehydrated, not too bad. This is damn good. $3 for this bowl. Forget about it. This is legit. I like this a lot. I just had the Yamamoto Tanuki Oyaji Tonkotsu ramen, and it was delicious. I'm gonna give that a 9.5. The noodles were delicious. They were extra thin and chewy. Love that. The soup broth, also very delicious. It had a little more pork bone broth flavor as opposed to just like a salty, cloudy soup, which I really enjoyed. This bowl of ramen only costs about $3. And in the industry, we call that a steal. For next week's episode, we have two options. The Nissin Cup of Noodles Original or the Nissin Cup of Noodles Crab Flavor. Leave in the comments below your selection and I'll try it out. And if you enjoyed this video, hit me with a like, a comment, a follow, a subscribe, whatever's your vibe. Either way, thank you for stopping by, and I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.